Steps to make chicken parmesan, with spaghetti. Ingredients required. Chicken breast. Flour. Eggs. Breadcrumbs. Paprika. Grated parmesan. Butter. Marinara. Mozzarella. Basil. Spaghetti. Step 1. Butterfly the breast. Step 2. Place a piece of parchment paper, I used a baking sheet, on top and grab your rolling pin. Step 3. Gently roll out the chicken breast until flat. Don't whack it. Step 4. Season your breadcrumbs with salt, pepper, paprika, and grated parmesan. Dip the chicken in flour and then in an egg wash. Step 5. Dip it into the seasoned breadcrumbs and coat thoroughly. Step 6. Fry it in a large pan until golden brown. Do not deep fry. Step 7. Add in some butter at the side of the pan when you're almost done. Step 8. Set the chicken on a baking tray and add a spoonful of marinara sauce on top. And add mozzarella cheese. Season with salt and pepper, then bake until melted. Step 9. For the spaghetti, simply cook as normal and mix with marinara sauce and fresh basil. Step 10. Serve together and bon appétit.